Welcome to Bruno Aluminium and Stainless. Right here at Accra, a place called Abokobi. Yes, for those who know the Canadians working, this place is called Abokobi. And we are here to install this project. Right here, this is a speaker design, and there will be a bar at the top, a bar that called groove pipe, stainless 1.5 mm thickness. Come and go. So, as you can see, we just start the installation. So, doing the installation, and when we are done, surely I'll show you the video of this project, how it looks, how the quality, how perfect is the work. Stay with us to the end, then you will see how beautiful is the work. Just start the installation. Right here, this is our tools. And you can see the glasses. All the glasses are ready for installation. You can see everything. So, right here, we do all the installation of the glasses, and after I'll show you the video how perfect, how quality, how beautiful is the work. Stay with us for more work. Thank you.
So that's Bruno for you, our steel and aluminium fixer and glass also. If you've been following this channel, you know Bruno already. You know the amazing jobs this guy is doing on the channel and the project that he has worked on. I always create a playlist. If it is your first time here, I have created a playlist for Bruno, so you can go into my playlist. You look for Bruno Aluminium and Steel, you see his works, the project that he has worked on, and it's an amazing job. You can check this one out. I really like the design of this house. It's very modern. I really like the shape and the design of this architecture. It's very beautiful. So I'll use this opportunity to thank the owner of this project for allowing us to show our talent and also giving us the opportunity to show what we can also do. So if you are also building a house or apartment, or you are into the construction phase and you'll be needing someone to fix your windows for you, your balustrades, your washroom cubicles, anything with glass, Bruno is the guy to call. So please get in touch with Bruno. That is his number on the screen. You can always get in touch with him directly, discuss business with him, and I believe he will be of help to you. Bruno is a very good guy. We've traveled all over the country. Most of our projects are all outside of Accra. So we are not only limited in working in Accra. You can check his works out. He has a great team also. So please do to check out on Bruno for your aluminium and glass works. Bruno is the guy. Maybe you have your piece of land and you are looking for a group of people that can help you to develop it, to come up with your dream house, design your dream house for you. We are here to help. All you have to do is to just send one WhatsApp or give us a call or email, and we will be here to assist you, to prevent all those stress that people go through dealing with artisans, chasing them, and all those hassle. We are here to help you build your dream house.
Yeah, these are the type of metals
It's 1.5.
having this 1.5. You can see the thickness. It's very thick. This is galvanized
3 mm.
3 mm. It have been old with these ones here, but you can see this one is corroding.
Galvanized angle bar. 2 inches galvanized angle bar.
You can see the one here are corroding.
Yes.
They are corroding. Whilst these ones are here, they don't do anything. But the galvanized, they are telling us this thickness. One is 400 and what?
420.
420. Okay. So you can imagine when you are going to do a bigger project, when someone tell you galvanize, no, it's coated galvanize. We have some here
Yeah.
around this area. You can see they are coated, so with time it corrodes. And you can see the same thing here. It have been old, very old, with the same thing over there. But you can see still they look like how they are. You can see the coated ones, and you can see from this angle, these are the quality ones. Which the coated ones are there, they corrode, but this one no. And you can even see some their thicknesses. You can look at this, the same angle I'm standing. When you come down a little, then you can see the bigger ones with the thickness. So it's not just saying galvanized, but thickness and quality too account. So people may work for you. Oh, we are going to use galvanized. They come on the coated ones, and you think, oh, yeah. So prices can vary from one to another. Thank you. So we've been at the yard searching for a cover for a water tank, and we need, at least because it's going to be where water may be. I don't want corrosion to be in the water. That's why we've came here to see the type of rod and this thing in this yard. Thank you. Eh, Let me see. Very small but heavy. With all your macho, very small but very, very heavy. Yeah, but they are costive. Very, very costive. Yeah, they have been here so long with this. But you can see these ones, the coated ones. So
So this is a project that we've been working on, and I haven't really created a playlist for this project because it's just a renovation that is a single floor building, and we are converting into a story building with extra two bedrooms and a living space at the top, just as you can see there. So that was how it was, and this is an update of the staircase that we've constructed, and I want to keep you guys updated.
The most marvelous step. There's no pillar. There's no column under it. No column. Tigo, what a step. I want you pillar. David, I want you pillar. I read the most finching. Or she had to make a for David.
So get in touch with Bruno for all your aluminium works and also your windows. And also maybe if you know a friend who is building and is almost at that stage, this video will be very helpful so you can share it to your friends who are building so that they get the best quality. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. And please don't forget to like this video. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel. Please, the subscription. Subscribe to the channel, man. It's free. Subscribe. And I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.